This model kit reviews of the F-14D Super Tomcat, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Revell. And here you can see pictures of the finished model. And here's another picture. That one's on the USS Carl Vinson. Here's the dimensions and the colors needed. Let's have a look inside. So this is actually already opened. And let's have a look and see these different screws. Something's always hooked on here. So first of all, we're looking here at the surface of the upper fuselage and tail. We do have some mold lines here that need to get sanded down. These surface details are all raised. Here's our instrument panel covers. We have the instrument panels over here with a fair amount of detail. And our wheel covers, we do have a pilot figure and nose gear. Here's the lower half of the fuselage with some details on the inside of the wheel wells. And a fair amount of surface detail throughout. Here's the bottom of the nose wheel well. We do have these mounting pods for the weapons. We've got some missiles. Lots of missiles. And we have our nose. Here are our ejection seats, again with a fair amount of mold lines on them. And our exhausts. And here are our wings. And these wings do move backwards and forwards. They do fold. Or sweep, actually. They sweep. Here's the air intakes. Wheels have got some nice details on them. And our tails. Looks like we have a little ladder here. And then a whole bunch of extra little parts. Let's see what those are for. Here's our canopy, nicely molded. So, let's have a look here. Here's our instrument panel being put together with the cockpit that's put into place. Ejection seats are put in, as well as the pilot. Then the air ducts and engine parts are put in, wings are put together, and the fuselage body is put together. Then the nose and wheel wells put together, as well as the cannon. Exhausts are put together, and then the pylons and weapons are put on. Our tails are put on. And then the main gear, as well as the gear door housings or covers, those are put on. Here's our nose gear being put on, and the additional weapons being put on, and those missiles. We have our canopy being put on, and some additional body parts. And we have our decal and painting guide. So just looking here, these are actually the decals that come with it.